everything changes. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome into my channel. It is May 4th, 2020, Monday, a new week, and a lot of people want to see what did we sell exactly in Shopify in March 2020, last month, the full calendar month, and it was just around $20,000. I want to show you the actual items that we sold. I'm going to take you over to the screen share here with the iPad, and I'll run you through Shopify. I'll show you a little bit about how it's set up, the dashboard to view it, orders, and then I'll take you down and we'll just scroll down the orders and we'll see what kind of stuff is selling. A majority of our Shopify is clothing, shoes, clothing, bathing suits, dresses, pants. It's all a mix of clothing. We also sell some electronics, some accessories, other random items, but I'll show you guys all of that over here on the iPad in just a second. Let's jump over there. I'm gonna do a screen share and you guys will see it and we'll scroll through it and you'll get a good idea of what sells on there. Now remember, Shopify requires an audience, but just like having eBay, Amazon, or Poshmark, as long as you can send traffic to it, you can sell on it. And so it doesn't really matter what we're selling or that we're using Shopify, it's just another platform. So I wanna show you what we sell and how we got to 20,000 in sales on Shopify. Okay, here is our Shopify main dashboard. I'm using the iPad and the app, so this isn't the desktop, it's just the app, but that's okay. Total sales today, $373. Yesterday was $301. This week is starting today, so it's gonna show the $373. This month, we're just 4 days into May 2020, so that's $2,010. You can also click down at the bottom and you can see the dashboard, and the dashboard will show you your actual total orders, which you can set a date range, like to see, you know, last month, last year, the last 60 days. This main page I'll show you again. It's kind of a breakdown of where your views come from, how long people stay on the site, what kind of stuff they're buying. So there's all kinds of different things that you can see on the main dashboard. But here is the sales dashboard. You just click that button right under your sales there. And then you can go ahead and select, and let's do a date range. Let's go back to last month, April 1st through April 30th, and apply. And we could see we did $21,262, and it shows the date and the sales. We had a 1.92% conversion rate. You can see your sessions converted, reach checkout. You can see all those stats. You can see your top selling items. You can see your traffic sources, direct traffic, social media, unknown, search, email. You can see sales by social source. So 4,900 from YouTube, 1,300 from Facebook, 383 from Instagram. So you can really scroll down and get some really good numbers out of this, some good information. $130.67 per order. Sales by traffic source, direct 11.9, social 67, unknown 1,600, search 966. You can see landing pages, return customers, total orders. So you can see a lot of cool stuff on this. So let's go ahead and click out of that. And what we want to do is we want to go see the actual order. So let's click the order screen at the bottom. This is going to bring up our most recent orders, which I have blacked out those persons, people, seller, buyers names, but you guys can see the totals right there. This is today's orders. We've had 4. So I'm going to go ahead and just click all orders. And under all orders, again, I've blacked out all of these folks' name, but you can see the order 72.48, 188, 55, 57, 139 yesterday. So let's go ahead and click on some of these orders and show you exactly what we are selling. So I'm going to click the first order. And it's going to bring it up here to the right. Again, I have blacked out the buyer's name and information at the top. But this is a count of 2,000 Uline 12 by 15 1 mil poly bags. So these are poly bags that folks would use to store inventory for. We sold them for $25. The shipping was actually $47 on these 2,000 Uline bags. So they're kind of heavy. And that was FedEx ground. Now, $47 may be a little bit over because there's a cost of packaging and handling. It's probably about $40 to $42 to ship. There's always a few dollars, and you should always pad your orders with a few dollars. This also shipped all the way out to, it's blacked out, you guys can't see it, but this shipped all the way out to San Jose, California, and it shipped from closer over here to the East Coast, the Midwest to East Coast. So it was quite a far shipping order. So that's just one. So we sold some Uline bags. Let's click on the second one. Again, it's going to stay blacked out for you guys. Quantity 59 Exhilaration bikini tops. They were brand new. And 61 Sugar Coast bikini tops, brand new. And so those total were $76 and $64. And so that came to $140 that somebody paid for 120 bathing suits. So a little more than $1 a bathing suit. Not bad, right? Brand new. Now they did have to pay the shipping, which was $48.14 for both orders. So the orders were about 20 and change an order. About right. So they paid $188.14 divided by 120 pieces, and they paid about $1.56 for brand new bikinis. Not bad, right? So if you're interested, our website has really good merchandise for really good prices. I mean, you're paying $1.56 delivered to your door for brand new stuff. I know it's bathing suits, but you know what? It's May. Summer starts next month. So let's go ahead and click on another order. Let's show you next thing that we ordered. Again, another order of the 2000 U-lines that we sold. Now you can see the shipping there was only $30, and that's because it didn't go quite as far, so much cheaper for that particular buyer. Let's go down another order. So another 2000. And then let's continue down the list here. One box of 75 pieces of sunglasses. So we sold them for $119. They had to pay $20 to get them shipped. So it was call it $140 for 75 pieces. So just shy of $2 a piece. Again, delivered to their door, less than $2 a piece for 75 pieces of brand new sunglasses. Let's keep going down the line. Let's keep seeing what we sold here. So this was 70 bathing suits as well, sold for $47 plus the shipping, $76. So just a hair over $1 a piece for those bathing suits. We can continue down. This was men's Goodfellow big and tall shirts. We sold 48 of those for $47, right at $1 a piece. After the shipping, it comes out to almost $2, but brand new with tags, Goodfellow big and tall shirts for under $2 a shirt. Let's continue on. Now, this particular order was multiple orders. They ordered multiple lots. One of them was 75 pieces of used kids clothing for $75, $1 a piece. Not bad. We also see 33 pieces of infant girls clothing for $30. Again, right around $1 a piece. So this person buying kids and infant clothing, they bought a few other things as well, but all about $1 a piece. Let's go to the next one. And this person bought 53 pieces of universal thread women's pants, shorts, and tops. Now, they ordered 3 orders of this. We had 3 lots of this, 53 pieces. They paid $210, but that was 159 pieces, so a little over $1 a piece. They ended up paying a lot in shipping because it was 159 pieces that had to go in 3 or 4 boxes, so it was expensive. These boxes were very, very heavy. They were 40, 50 pounds and cost 40 to 50 bucks a piece to ship with the discount through PayPal, through FedEx. So that was $149 shipping. So they ended up paying $360 out the door. And that seems like a lot, but it really wasn't, because they got 159 pieces, which comes to $2.26 brand new delivered to the door. Again, under $2.50 a unit. You really can't do much better than, getting brand new merchandise for $2, $1.70, $2.50, upwards of $3 is what we sell some of the more name brand stuff for. I'll go through another order here. This was 51 brand new Taylor Swift t-shirts, and they paid $60 for that, plus the 20 shipping, so $80 for 51. So it's about $1.50 a shirt, and these were brand new as well, I believe. Let's go ahead and look at one more here. And these were 95 brand new graphic t-shirts that were 122 plus shipping, so it was 160. And I believe that comes out to, what, about $1.40? I could be wrong. 160, 95 pieces, $1.68 a piece. A little more, but $1.68 brand new 95 graphic t-shirts. And we can go ahead and click. I'll go ahead and open one of these up for you guys. And so basically, we just put up pictures, and I'll open this up for you guys to see. There it is. Gilmore Girls. I've got Field Goals, Harry Potter shirt, Touchdown, Bulls. We can scroll to the next picture. See you later, Tailgater. Time flies when you're having rum. So all little kind of, catchy little graphic-y shirts, and that is kind of the items that we sold. Somebody paid $1.68 to have these delivered, and they could put these up for $12, $14, $15. Even if they sold them for $10 a piece with free shipping, these shirts They bought 95 of them. So $10 free shipping is going to cost you 59 cents for the PayPal fee, $1.59 total with your eBay fee. So 10 minus $1.59 is $8.41. And if they cost you $3.40 to ship, that's $5.01. And you paid $1.68, so you would make $3.33 a shirt times 95 shirts. There's a potential to make $316 profit on top of the $160 you paid. And you could really, selling them at 10 free shipping, you could sell these at 12, some of these maybe for $14. So really you could make an extra, even $2 a shirt times another 95, another 180 would put you up over 500 in profit. So it's good inventory, good material. I know people are like, man, just to make $4 or $5 or $6 a shirt, I don't want to mess with it. What you have to remember is it's delivered to your door. It's only $1 and change investment. It's quantity. It's brand new where you take a picture, you list it, and you put up quantity 10. So those 95 shirts are going to take you all of 2 or 3 hours. You set it and you forget it, right? So you buy this stuff, you list it in a day, maybe 2 days, and you never have to think about it. Every time one sells, you're recouping your money. And once you have your money back, which $160 if you're netting $6 a piece, means you only have to sell the first 26 to get your money back, maybe 27. And if you just sell 1 or 2 a day, you'll have the money back in 2 weeks. And then it's profit after that. And it's just easy inventory. You get your listing up, quantity up, and you always aim high. Do $12.99 plus shipping. Do $14.99 free shipping. Some of these will sell higher, some of them may not. And that's pretty much how we do it. And you can go from there. When you're buying stuff for $1 and $2, it's volume at that point. You don't have to spend any time outsourcing and very, very little time listing them because they're in quantities like this. And some of them are only quantity 2 or 3. Some of them are quantity 10. But that's pretty much how we do it. So let's go back to the home page. And like I said, total sales this month so far, we're at about 500 average per day, 2,010 for the month. So that would put us at a 15,000. We did 22,000 last month. Hopefully we'll ramp up and we'll get back to that 20,000 a month. But to do $250,000 on Shopify in our first full year, remember we didn't start till November or December on Shopify. Be very happy to do $250,000 on Shopify in addition to everything else, eBay, Amazon, all that other stuff. So Shopify is definitely a platform, but remember it requires a audience, a following, an email list, social media, something where you can drive people to your products. You can sell used, you can sell new, you can sell private label. Whatever you have to sell, you can list on Shopify and you can sell it. I can click on the product screen and show you exactly what we have. It'll show you our out of stock products. It shows you our recently updated products. We can click on all products and you can see 0 available. We can see that we have things like these Beauty 360 brushes that we have available. We have, the sunglasses. We have some more lots of sunglasses. We have 10 pairs of women's jeans, True Religion, Jordache, and more. I mean, we have things all the way from $20 and $30 down to $300 and $400. Tons of these bathing suits. We have things like wedding accessory lots. There's all kinds of good stuff. I'll link this down below in the video so you can go take a look at the store if you want, but there's all kinds of lots on here. And I think Shopify is a fantastic platform for somebody like myself. And also it could be for you guys as well if you have products that you want to sell. So there it is. That's Shopify 101. That is what we've sold. That is some of the products. That's some of the money that we've made. That is some of the listings and how they've sold, the prices, the shipping, everything that you want to see. And again, if we do year to date already, let's just do a January 1st through, it's now May, of course. So let's go ahead and click on May 4th today. And we've done almost $30,000 this year already, January, February, March. And that's only in 4 months. So, I mean, at that pace, we're on pace to do 90 to 100,000, but we've been ramping up. So we definitely want to hit $200,000 to $250,000 this year. So there is our Shopify, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put it down in the description box. And until next time, I'll see you guys then.